Hello viewers. Welcome to Soulfeeders Entertainment TV 247. Today we're diving into an exciting and life-changing topic: the best countries for African youths to prosper abroad. If you've ever dreamed of building a better life for yourself and your family, this video is just for you. I'll be sharing valuable insights on top destinations where you can thrive, build a successful career, and support your loved ones back home. So, sit back, take notes, and let's explore the opportunities that await African youths around the globe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. African youth strong advice on traveling abroad. The best countries to travel to as African youths and make a great living to help yourself, help your family build a career, and help your family back home in Africa are United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. These countries are the top-notch destinations to travel to for young Africans that are trying to live a good and prosperous life. However, you may find it difficult to get their visa from your home country for many different reasons. If this happens, do not be discouraged. There are many other countries you can choose to start a good life and then travel and work your ways to these countries: the USA, Australia, Canada, and the United Kingdom. In the first place, here are my suggestions for African youths. 1. Caribbean nations. The Caribbean regions are full of nations with a reasonable economy, reasonable population, easy visa conditions, small conditions for proof of funds, and easy to settle conditions. The outstanding countries to explore in the Caribbean regions includes Barbados, Cayman Islands, Dominican Republic, Trinidad and Tobago, Kitts and Nevis, Aruba, Antigua and Barbuda. Most of these Caribbean nations are visa-free for Africans, and for some they are visa on arrival, while all of them have very soft visa conditions for visa acquisition. Jobs that Africa youths can do in this region: hotel jobs, security jobs, teaching jobs, information technology jobs. Create your jobs like hair braiding, hair barbing, online money-making jobs. Easy. When you live in these regions for a period of 6 months, 1 year, or even more, then from there you can start thinking of the necessary steps, necessary routes to move to a much better country and economical benefits. If those countries are not gotten on time, you can stay within the Caribbean regions until you obtain their residence permit or their international passport as a citizen through marriage, study, work, and any other pathways as the laws of the country of domicile permits you. Salaries within the Caribbean. A lot of the countries in this region pay over $2,000 as monthly salaries. You have the opportunity of saving over $800 monthly because of low cost of living in their regions. Other regions African youths can explore: countries like New Zealand, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Indonesia are also good countries to travel to without any hard conditionalities attached. These countries have light visa conditions that encourages an African youth to pursue life there before you think of traveling to other nations with larger economy. It is very important for Africa youth to remember that Rome was not built in a day, but it was eventually built. You can start a journey but move from one region to the other, exploring your opportunities until you finally arrive at your promised land. Don't wait for promised land from here. Start moving first. If you wait for the promised land, time and tide waits for no one. Start moving, start taking steps, start thinking, so that you don't regret tomorrow. Africa youths, be wise, take steps towards your future now.